Good afternoon, children. In our last class, we have seen chapter 6, that is test and measurement in sports, about the motor fitness test, that is Khelo India National Fitness Test. In that, already 5 test items we have studied. Today we are going to study standing broad jump. Test item 6, standing broad jump. Purpose of this test is to determine or measure explosive power of legs. Equipments required: a sandy long jump pit and measuring steel tape. Procedure: takeoff line is marked on the ground. Then the subject stands just behind the takeoff line with the feet several inches apart. The subject swings the arm and bends the knee to take a jump in long jump pit. 3 trials are given to the subject. The distance is measured from the takeoff line to the heels or other part of the body that touches the ground nearest to takeoff line. Then scoring. All these jumps are measured and the best one is recorded. The measurement is noted in feet and inches. Evaluation can be compared. Teachers can also create own norms for evaluation. See this chart in which boys standing broad jump feet and inches and girls standing broad jump feet and inches is all given in this excellent, good, average, fair, poor and bad. Now the next test item is test item 7, shuttle run. That is shuttle run test, which is the distance covered is 4 into 10 meters. Purpose of this test is to determine or measure agility. Agility means ability to change the direction. Okay. Then comes equipment required. 2 wooden blocks of 10 into 5 into 5, then marker, cones, measuring tape, stopwatch and flat surface with 2 lines 10 meters apart. Procedure: mark 2 parallel lines 3 meter in length, 10 meters apart using marking tape or cones. Considering one line as a starting line, the subject stand at starting line or point. The 2 wooden blocks are placed in the edge of the other line. On the signal go, the subject runs to the wooden blocks, lift one block, returns to the starting line on the way back. 2 trials are given. Scoring: record the best time to complete the test in seconds to the nearest decimal places. Evaluation. Evaluation is compared. Teacher can also create own norms for evaluation purpose. The table is given below, the timing of boys and girls completing the run. Students, our second test is fitness test is Barrow fitness test. It is for general motor fitness. This Barrow motor fitness test is also known as 3-item test. Barrow general motor fitness test, that is battery, is good to check the general motor ability of an individual. This test is known as 3-item test because it has 3 items in this. 3 tests to be conducted for the subject, that is zigzag run, standing broad jump and medicine ball throw. First one is zigzag run. The purpose of zigzag run is to test the power, speed, quickness and body control in multiple planes of movement. Equipments required are measuring tape, 2 stopwatches, 5 cones and procedure. A standard zigzag course is with 4 cones placed on the corner of a rectangle, that is 10 feet by 16 feet with one more cone placed in the center. Starting line. Subject stand behind starting line. On the signal ready go, the subject start running in zigzag way. The subject run on lap as fast as possible around the zigzag path. If the subject does not round all cones in completing the one full lap required, him or her to rest and then retest is done. Record the time to perform one full lap around the path to the nearest tenth of 9 seconds. Scoring. Time taken to be finished, zigzag run, and as per the norms, grading is done. Now, baromotor fitness test. The second item is standing broad jump, that is also known as standing long jump. Purpose of this test is measure explosive power of the legs. Equipments which are required are measuring tape, non-slippery floor and a mat. Procedure. Stand behind marked starting line. Feet slightly apart. Then swing your arms back and forth rhythmically and bend the knees. The athlete take off and lands using both feet, arms swing and bend, knees provide forward drive. 3 attempts are allowed. Scoring. The measurement is taken from takeoff line to the nearest point of contact on the landing. Back of the heels are being measured there. The best of 3 attempts is recorded and as per rating scale, grading is being done. Evaluation is also done like that only. And see the table given below how the students, boys and girls, they used to perform. The last test for Barrow fitness test is medicine ball throw test. Medicine ball for girls 1 kg and for boys it is 3 kg. Purpose is to measure the upper body strength and explosive power. Equipments required: medicine ball for boys 3 kg and girls 1 kg, and measuring tape, safe place and assistance. Procedure: warm up thoroughly. Then stand with both feet behind a marked line. Hold the ball overhead with 2 hands. This holding of the ball should be just like the as we throw in the football or soccer from the sideline. Procedure is same. Then throw the ball as far as possible. Take 3 attempts and record the best score. Scoring: measure the distance covered by the subject and as per the norms, grading is done. Look at the chart which is given below, how the boys and girls they have thrown. Like that, marks will be and grading should be given.